Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. Today, we have an insightful question from Christine Martin. She asks, "Hi Sir Edric, is it advisable to pay a bigger down payment so that I would only need to loan a smaller amount? Or should I use this money to invest in another property and get a bigger loan amount? Which is more profitable?" If I were in your position, I would pay a smaller amount for the down payment because I know there is always a property I can invest in that will make more than the additional cost of interest with a bigger loan amount. It will definitely be more profitable to invest in another property as you will have two properties that will appreciate and give you cash flow at the same time. But you will only enjoy the gains if you know where to invest and you're always in control of your properties. To use this strategy safely, two things to remember. 1. Do your market research. Invest in a location or development with high growth potential and a stable rental market. 2. Make sure you have the financial capacity or at least a long-term plan on how to pay the loan for both properties. The good news is you'll have rental income to help cover the expenses related to the properties. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you need help getting a property, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.